In today's competitive digital landscape, businesses are constantly seeking ways to streamline their operations, maximize efficiency, and stay ahead of the curve. One strategy that has gained widespread popularity is outsourcing. WordPress, with its user-friendly interface and extensive plugin ecosystem, has become the go-to choice for building websites. However, not every business has the in-house capability to develop and manage the WordPress site effectively. Indeed, outsourcing WordPress requirements offers a multitude of benefits for businesses of all sizes. First and foremost, outsourcing provides access to a pool of skilled professionals with expertise in WordPress development. Outsourcing offers flexibility and scalability, allowing businesses to scale their WordPress projects up or down as needed. Whether it's building a new website from scratch, customizing existing themes, or providing ongoing maintenance and support, outsourcing partners can tailor their services to fit the specific needs of each client. Businesses outsource their WordPress requirements to leverage the expertise of skilled professionals, streamline operations, and achieve their online objectives efficiently and cost-effectively. Now you must be wondering, what is the process of WordPress outsourcing? Well, the process of WordPress outsourcing involves several key steps to ensure a smooth and successful collaboration between businesses and outsourcing providers. It starts with defining your requirements. Start by clearly defining your project requirements, including the scope of work, timeline, the budget, and the desired outcome. Then you need to do research and shortlist the providers. Research and shortlist potential WordPress development agencies or freelancers based on their expertise, experience, portfolio, client testimonials, and of course pricing. Then you should request for proposals or quotes. Reach out to your shortlisted providers and request proposals or quotes for your project. You should review portfolios and case studies. Review the portfolios and case studies of potential outsourcing providers to assess the quality of their work and their ability to deliver projects similar to yours. Then comes the part of communication and collaboration. Establish clear communication channels and expectations with your chosen outsourcing provider. Then it is the launch and support. Once the WordPress development work is complete, launch your website and provide any necessary support or training to your team. Now, let's try to understand what type of WordPress development work can be outsourced. You can outsource various types of WordPress development work to skilled professionals or agencies. Here are some common tasks. First one is custom theme development. Outsourcing the creation of a custom WordPress theme tailored to your specific design requirements can ensure a unique and professional appearance for your website. Second is the plugin development. If you need custom functionality that isn't available through existing WordPress plugins, outsourcing plugin development can help you create a bespoke solution to meet your needs. Third is website customization. Whether it's tweaking existing themes or making modification to your site's layout, colors, fonts, or other design elements, outsourcing website customization tasks can save you time and effort. Fourth one is WordPress installation and setup. If you're new to WordPress or prefer to focus on other aspects of your business, outsourcing the initial installation and setup of your WordPress site can ensure a smooth and hassle-free process. Then comes the part of performance optimization. Improving your website's loading speed, performance, and responsiveness is crucial for user experience and SEO. Outsourcing performance optimization tasks can help you identify and address issues that may be affecting your site's overall performance. Then comes the part of security enhancements. Protecting your WordPress site from security threats and vulnerabilities is essential. Outsourcing security security enhancements such as malware scanning, firewall setup, and security plugin configuration can help bolster your site's defenses. Then there's the part of SEO optimization. Ensuring your WordPress site is optimized for search engines can help to improve its visibility and attract more organic traffic. Outsourcing SEO optimization tasks such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and SEO plugin setup can help you achieve better search engine ranking. Then there's the concept of content migration. If you're moving your site to WordPress from another platform or need to transfer content between WordPress sites itself, outsourcing content migration tasks can help ensure a seamless transition without losing data or disrupting your site's functionality. Then comes the part of training and support. Outsourcing WordPress training and support services can provide you and your team with the knowledge and assistance needed to effectively manage and maintain your WordPress site. By outsourcing these WordPress development tasks to experienced professionals or agencies, you can leverage their expertise and resources to enhance your website's functionality, appearance, and performance while freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Now, let's talk about how Softtrix can help with WordPress development outsourcing. Softtrix is a well-established WordPress development agency with a track record of delivering high-quality solutions to clients worldwide. Softtrix has a team of experienced WordPress developers who possess in-depth knowledge and expertise in WordPress development. We are proficient in various aspects of WordPress, including theme customization, plugin development, and website optimization. Softtrix understands that every client has unique requirements and goals. We offer customized WordPress development solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Whether you need a simple blog site, an e-commerce platform, or a complex web application, Softtrix can deliver solutions that align with your objectives. Outsourcing your WordPress development needs to a trusted partner like Softtrix opens doors to unparalleled expertise, reliability, and cost effectiveness. Remember, your online presence is key to your success in the digital world. Please do like, share, and comment below if you're ready to elevate your WordPress game and take your business to new heights. Don't wait. Contact us today to discuss your project and let's make your vision a reality together. Thank you.